Presets are for those who need to adapt pre-programmed shows to new environments quickly and easily. The idea is that when you program your scenes, you don't store actual values for, say, pan and tilt. You merely store the number of the preset that holds the actual values. If you haven't already guessed why this is a very handy feature indeed, let's go ahead and look at an example. Let's say you travel with a band and you have an awful lot of scenes in your show where some of your lights have to point exactly at a certain spot, marked by this ball here. Using presets, you would program a preset for this position. Then, everywhere in the show where you intend your lights to be focused on this position, you make a reference to that preset instead of programming actual values. The handiness of presets becomes clear once you move from one place to the other because things never tend to be set up exactly the same way. Let's pretend that we moved to another location and that our fixtures were mounted a little bit different than when you programmed your show in the first place. When you want to hit the spot, the fixtures are a bit off, like here. Without presets, you would have to re-edit each and every scene where the fixtures should point at this location. Depending on your number of scenes, this could become a rather tedious task. But with presets, all you have to do is adjust a single preset, making sure all pan tilt values within the presets are correct. As you can see, when we pull back, the default position for the fixtures are also slightly out of order. So actually, we should make a preset for this position too. But you understand the principle, namely that whenever a scene refers to a preset, your fixtures will hit the spot perfectly, like this. The last thing you need to know is that presets can store more than pan and tilt, of course. As a matter of fact, you can store any combination of channels within a preset. To see how to create and apply presets, have a look in the example section.